Here's how to fix Steam download speed drops to 0 issue. Follow these steps to troubleshoot the problem and improve your Steam download performance. First, open the Steam application and click Steam in the top left corner. Select Settings, then scroll down and click Downloads. Under Download region, select a server region that is closest to your current location. Once you've selected the closest region, close the settings window. Next, open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and open it. Make sure the View By option is set to large icons, then select Network and Sharing Center. From the left side, click Change Adapter Settings. Locate your Wi-Fi connection in the list, right-click it, and select Properties. In the Wi-Fi Properties window, find Internet Protocol version 4, select it, and click Properties. Change the option from Obtain DNS server address automatically to use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 8888 as the preferred DNS server and 8844 as the alternate DNS server. Click OK to save the changes, then close the remaining windows. After that, open the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, enter ipconfig /flushdns and press Enter. Then type netsh winsock reset and press Enter again. Once both commands have been executed, close Command Prompt and restart your computer. Finally, open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and launch it. Expand the Disk Drive section, then right-click your disk drive and select Properties. Open the Policies tab and uncheck the option labeled Enable Write Caching on the device. Click OK to save the changes. Once you've completed all of these steps, open Steam again and check your download speed. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.